We can use the switch statement to run a block of code, one expression equal to the value in a case. First, let's create a variable a, give it a value 1. Let's create a switch statement. We use the switch keyword, then the expression. We will put the variable a here and the curly brackets. In this curly brackets, case 1, give it a value 1. In this case, let's just print out a is 1. Let's add another case. Case give it a value 2. And print out a is 2. Let's add a third case. Case give it a value 3. Print out a is 3. Last, let's add a default case. This default case means if this expression value a not match any case above this default case, then it will run the code in this default case. So let's just print out invalid value. In terminal, let's go run. This variable's value is a, so it will match this case 1. It will print out its value is 1. Let's change its value to be 2. Let's run again. This time it will match the second case's value, so it will print out a is 2. If we change this value to 5, let's go run again. This time this a's value not match any case above this default, so it will run the code in this default case, so it will print out an invalid value. We can declare a variable in switch statement. Let's remove this a variable. And here, after this switch keyword, we will declare a variable a colon equal sign, give it a value 5. Use a semicolon to separate this variable and the expression, so it will do the same thing as before. And this a variable only will be valid in this switch block. Out of this switch block, if we try to print out this a variable, it will give us an error. Let's remove this. And in this default case, let's just print out this a variable. Let's go run. This a variable value is 5, so it will not match any case. It will run the code in this default case, print out its value is 5. We also can add a multiple value in one case. So in case 1, let's add another value like 4 and 5. We use comma to separate each value. In terminal, let's go run. You can see this time it will print out a is 1 because its value is 5, so it will match the value 5 in case 1. It will print out a is 1. If we change its value to 4, go run again, it still will print out a is 1. It will match the case 1. We also can create a switch statement without an expression. Let's remove this switch statement. Create a variable a, give it a boolean value true. Let's create a switch statement and without expression, curly brackets, case 1. We will put out the a variable after this case and colon. In this case, let's print out true. Let's also add a default case. Let's print out false. This is just like a if else statement. So in terminal, let's go run. Because this is value is true, so it will run the code in the first case. If we change this value to false, let's go run again. This time, because its value is false, so it will skip the first case, run the code in default. We also can add the for_through keyword to run the next block after the first match case. So in case 1, let's add the for_through. And in terminal, let's go run. You can see, in terminal, it will print out A is 1 and also print out A is 2. Because its value is 1, so it will match the first case, print out A is 1. And we add the for_through keyword, so it also will run the code in the next case. This is about switch statement. Hope to see you next time.